Hey, hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're going to talk all about college textbooks and how you can get an entire college degree without even using them. They cost a fortune. They take forever to read. So how do you ditch them and get your degree without them? If that sounds good, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. All right, so college textbooks. The first thing I want to say is, oh man, it's just a really outdated way to learn. Let me ask you this. When's the last time you drove to the library and checked out a textbook to learn something? That's just not how we learn anymore, okay? But colleges still use these college textbooks as resources to help us learn. Well, reality is, it's a new age, okay? We have technology at our fingertips. We have our smartphones in our pockets. When we want to learn something, we can ask Google. We can ask Alexa. We can ask Siri. We can go to YouTube. We can go to Google. We have the internet literally in our pockets at all times. So referring to a textbook to learn something is no longer efficient. Now, why in the world have colleges not caught up with this trend to get rid of textbooks? Well, I'll tell you why. There's a couple of reasons. Number one, they make money off of textbooks. We basically have to pay for textbooks as part of our tuition, and that's money in a university's pocket, okay? So that's one reason they will not get rid of textbooks, and they probably won't do it for a long time. Number two, college textbooks take us a very long time to read. Now, what happens to colleges when it takes us longer to graduate? Yep, we have to pay more money in tuition. The longer we're enrolled in school, the more money we pay. So colleges use textbooks not to help us learn, even though they say it's to help us learn. This is not to help us learn. It's because they make money off of this aspect of their business. Colleges and universities are businesses. They're not out there to just help us progress in our careers and learn more. Of course, when we have college degrees, we get better jobs, we make more money, we have more knowledge, but colleges and universities are businesses. So what in the world should you do? Well, it's simple. Don't use your textbooks. End of story, okay? Now, let me give you an example, okay? Here's a college textbook. Look how thick this is, okay? Look how thick this is. How long is this going to take you to read? Well, what you should do instead of using college textbooks is you can open up your textbook, open it up, and look and see what principles you actually need to learn in this particular textbook. Boom, principle, varicose veins. There's a whole chapter on varicose veins. What can I do? Well, maybe I should go to YouTube and search varicose veins and watch some YouTube videos teaching me about varicose veins, okay? It's that simple. Use your textbook, figure out what you actually need to learn, and then go use modern resources to learn that thing, okay? When I say modern resources, I mean the entire internet. You can scour the internet for information, and guess what? You will learn faster. To earn an entire college degree, on average, a bachelor's degree on average takes more than 6 years in the United States. But it doesn't actually take 6 years to learn that material. It doesn't take that long to learn that material. Colleges and universities make us jump through hoops. They make us read textbooks. They make us do homework assignments, take quizzes, group projects, study plans, lesson guides, long essays. All of this stuff is not structured in reality to help you learn. It's structured so that you can go through college at the university's pace instead of your own pace. Textbooks are one example. Now, if you've followed my channel or heard from me before, you know I earned an entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. One hack that I used to do this was I ditched textbooks and I didn't use them. But there are a whole bunch more hacks that I used The process of accelerating an entire degree and earning that degree in less than 1 year, I call the process degree hacking. If you'd like to learn more about degree hacking, I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description, and you can go watch a free degree hacking tutorial for free. There's no strings attached. I hope that it really helps you, and I hope that you can sit down and say, you know what? I don't need these textbooks to graduate college. What you actually need is to learn the material that's inside of the textbook. You don't need the book to learn those things. Hit the internet, start searching, and learn taking a completely different approach. Hope this video has added value to your day and given you a little hack that can save you money on your textbooks and save you a whole bunch of study time. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.